Welcome to the Jabba's Hut vacation rental near Disney World. This home has been recognized as the best themed vacation rental property in Orlando. And look at how cute this Super Mario front entry is with arcade system. And then into Rapunzel's castle bedroom. It's a twin over twin bunk bed with a slide. And so cute. This room is full of toys and dolls and Barbies, shoes and accessories, cosplay gowns, gorgeous gowns sized infant to extra large adults, maybe even something for Prince Charming. And then back through the hall into the Hogwarts Castle bedroom. This epic room is themed for the Gryffindor Commons room, and look at how adorable and how beautiful this classy room is, with robes, the Mirror of Erised, wands, and a twin over twin trundle. We also have supplies for beach. Those are chairs. And then into this cute night bus bedroom. This is a triple-decker bus with 2 bunks, twin over twin. Hop aboard, mate. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Across the hall, slither in to our Harry Potter bathroom. And then at the back of the main level is a beautifully beach-themed open space kitchen and main living area with Little Mermaid vibes. Nice dishware, plenty of pots and pans, more small appliances than you can think of, and plasticware themed to Disney for the kids. Look at these pool views. This is absolutely gorgeous, even on an overcast and rainy day. This will make you smile. This is what we come to Florida for. Into the Star Wars King Master. This is themed after the Imperial Walker, and you can sleep in its belly. There's a twin over king in this room, and that futon folds out for a double bed. Inside the closet, a pack and play for little ones. This is the biggest master bathroom. It walks out to the pool. How convenient is that for families with young kids or old kids or even adults? You will love the convenience of this with a nice big bathtub and safety on the lock for the pool. Into Belle's master bedroom with a king bed, Belle's friends, and even some costumes for the beast of the family. And across the hall is Belle's bathroom. Each of the 5 bathrooms has a shower. This one is a walk-in. The laundry area has 3 dryers and 2 washers, and this is Jabba's palace. This home theater is absolutely phenomenal. Check out all the fun characters, Han Solo in carbonite, costumes from infant to adult for both Jedi and dark side, gaming with Xbox, PlayStation, and Oculus. And now we'll hit the second level of the house with 3 more bedrooms and a loft. Cinderella is locked in the attic. This is space for extra princesses if needed. A twin and a trundle underneath. And this is Sleeping Beauty's magnificent King Master. She also has costumes sized to adults. And her bathroom is en suite. And crazy cool because this makes a beautiful corner unit. It is also a Jack and Jill style connected bathroom to the Pirates of the Caribbean room. This can sleep 3 people. A queen bed as well as the Black Pearl is a twin. and also has pirate toys and costumes. And last but not least, through the Cinderella loft, we head into Moana's King Master bedroom. This beautiful Polynesian themed room has a king bed and an ensuite bathroom. Sometimes our guests have called this or referred to this as the grandparents' room because it's not connected to a kid's bedroom, but it does have privacy and quiet away from the hubbub of the family, with a gorgeous ensuite bathroom and an oversized bathtub. This bathroom also has access optionally to the hall. It can be locked off from the hallway from other guests and be used exclusively for the master if needed. And now, for the crown jewel, we're taking you into the backyard gardens. We have almost half an acre of private backyard gardens to die for. Look at the tropical princess vibes happening in this backyard. I guarantee you've never seen a property like this in this area. This safety lock might even keep the adults from the pool. We also provide life jackets for the kids. And look at that aqua-blue water. The spillover spa can be heated to the desired temperature you request. And the pool heat on the pool and spa is always included, never charged. We have a family-sized grill and tons of space for play and fun as a family. This cute fountain has Princess Jasmine vibes. Beautiful, swinging, relaxing area. And look at these gorgeous flower gardens. We have palm trees. We have all kinds of flowers and Cinderella's carriage. This is life-sized. It can fit up to 4 people. And it lights up gorgeously at night. This is perfect for family photos with those beautiful gowns from the princess room. We guarantee a magical stay.